We are making bacon today, everybody. How do I air fry bacon? Well, this is how I do it. I preheat my air fryer to 400 degrees for 5 minutes, grease it, and I throw in my bacon. I can get 5 pieces of bacon next to each other. If they're touching, no big deal. They're gonna shrink anyways. We're gonna go ahead and throw it into our air fryer, and we are going to set the temperature to 320 degrees for 12 minutes. After 7 minutes, we're gonna take it out. We're gonna flip the bacon over, and we're gonna throw it right back into the air fryer for the remaining 5 minutes. Let's take it out. Let's take a look at this bacon. Boom. Oh, beautiful bacon. When it's cooked at this temperature for this time, your bacon is still soft, but it's cooked. It's delicious, just a little bit chewy. And if you want it a little crispy, you can go 330 degrees for 12 minutes. And if you like it really crispy, then I would go 340 degrees for 12 minutes. This bacon we pre-cooked, and we're gonna chop it up and put it in our twice-baked potato. Beautiful, delicious bacon. If you like what you see here, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell. Get notified when we get another video out there for you to watch. And there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to our website, all of our recipes. And if you want bacon on there, now you know how to make bacon in your air fryer. And take care of yourselves out there. Bye-bye.
Wow!